Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to stop the Google sign-in pop-up in your browser. These pop-ups can be annoying, especially when we do not want to sign in every time we visit Google services. We will walk you through it step by step so we can manage these prompts easily. Let's get started. In Google Chrome, we need to go to Settings. Settings can be found in the upper right corner of the browser. We just need to click these three dots. Once we are in Settings, under You in Google, we need to click this. Now we will select Sync and Google Services. We just need to click this one. Here, we need to turn off Allow Chrome Sign-In. We just need to turn this off so it will no longer show the sign-in prompt. Once we turn this off, the pop-up window will stop appearing. It is now disabled and it will no longer appear. It will not show on our Google Chrome desktop. We can also stop this pop-up by going to Privacy and Security, then to Site Settings. Under Site Settings, we click Pop-ups and Redirects and disable this option. If it is still enabled, we just need to turn it off. That's it. We have successfully stopped the Google sign-in pop-up. Our browsing experience should now be much smoother without any unwanted prompts.